In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clear, step-by-step path to set up your course, organize your content, and make it ready for learners. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard. From here, open the Memberships area, then select Courses. This is your course management hub, where you'll see any existing courses and create new ones. Click the Create Course button to start fresh. You'll be prompted to add your course details. Give your course a clear, searchable title and write a concise description that tells learners exactly what they'll gain. Think outcomes first. What problem does your course solve? And who is it for? Next, upload a thumbnail image. Aim for 1280 by 720 pixels so it looks crisp on all devices. And choose branding that matches your overall look. After that, continue to set up pricing. You'll now choose how learners access the course. Free, one-time, or recurring subscription. If it's paid, enter the price. For subscriptions, pick a billing period, monthly, quarterly, or annual, and optionally add trial days if you want people to test before they commit. When your pricing is set, click Create Course to save these settings. Quick note while we're here, you'll find the official website link for GoHighLevel at the very top of the video description. And if you prefer using the mobile app, the download link is also placed right there for easy access. With the course created, it's time to add content. Click Add Content to build your structure. Start with modules. Think of these as your categories or sections like Introduction, Core Lessons, or Advanced Strategies. Within each module, add lessons, which are your individual posts or teaching units. Inside each lesson, you can include videos for demonstrations or lectures, text for explanations and summaries, and files for resources like worksheets, checklists, or slide decks. Keep lessons focused and digestible, and use consistent naming so learners always know what to expect. Mixing video with a quick text recap and a downloadable resource can greatly improve comprehension. Before you invite anyone in, make sure each lesson is marked as published. Otherwise, it won't be visible to your audience. Use the preview feature to experience the course like a learner would. Check the flow between modules, confirm videos play smoothly, verify downloads work, and scan for typos or formatting issues. When everything looks good, your course is ready to go. That's it. You've created a course in GoHighLevel from start to finish. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the links at the top of the description, and thanks for watching.